Hi everyone. Every tip I'm going to give comes directly from mechanics working in the shop. So don't worry. If your Subaru suddenly shows the message emission control system needs to be checked, don't panic thinking your engine is about to die. What the car is basically saying is, hey, something isn't right with my emission control system and I need you to have it checked soon. This system is responsible for keeping your emissions low and your engine running efficiently, so ignoring it isn't a good idea. The first thing mechanics recommend is don't panic, but don't wait too long either. Often the computer detects something small, but if you ignore it, the problem can grow and affect the engine or exhaust system. Also, if your Subaru is under warranty, ignoring this message could complicate things at the dealership. Interestingly, one of the most common causes reported by mechanics is a loose or damaged gas cap. Yes, it sounds simple, but if the cap doesn't seal properly, fuel vapors escape, and the emission sensors get confused, triggering this message. Many mechanics fix it just by tightening or replacing the cap, and the warning disappears after a few miles. If the cap is fine and the message persists, it's time to get more serious. The next step is to read the OBD2 codes with a scanner. This tells you exactly which sensor or part of the emission system is failing, like the oxygen sensor, MAF sensor, or a leak in the EVAP system. These are the most commonly reported causes on forums. Other interesting details shared by owners. Sometimes small fuses or dirty connectors can send incorrect signals and trigger this message. Checking and cleaning those fuses and connectors often stops the computer from getting confused and turns the light off. In more complex cases, mechanics here mention that after repairing the issue, it may be necessary to reset the ECU so the message disappears from the dashboard. This is like restarting your phone after an update, but for your Subaru, it clears old codes and allows the computer to recalibrate with the sensors working properly.